Pakipalo lang guys sa akong account, Ramel Albaracin YouTube channel guys. Og Ramel Luad Albaracin guys. Kini tutorial ni kung paano nga maka trending ka sa imong mga videos. Ani lang guys, ang mga setting guys na lang guys. Mapindot lang ka diri guys sa long line. Tapos punta ka sa privacy setting. Punta ka dito sa setting. Tapos i-up mo lang sa taas. Up mo lang, up mo lang sa taas. Up mo lang. Saan ba yan? Ito. Hanapin mo yung default audience setting. Default audience setting. Pindutin mo lang itong default audience setting. Tapos ito na guys. Kailangan mo lang i-public. Choose your default audience. Anyone can see what you share and interact with your public content. I-pindot mo lang guys. Tapos para public na yan guys. Okay. Next guys. Next. Dito ka sa who can see your post. I-edit setting lang guys. Kaya hindi pa kasi naka-public lahat ito. Kaya kailangan ko i-edit setting. Ito guys. Ito, you can see post. Kasi napindot ko na yung kanina kaya public na siya. Yan, public na guys. Friends. Your friends Facebook. Okay na yan guys, naka-public na yan guys. Ito tayo guys sa who can see your reels. Friends ang kalagay dito guys, ilagay natin public. Ito, public. Setting na yan guys, public. Allow others to share your public stories. To share own story, pindutin mo lang guys, public. I-on mo lang yan guys. Allow other to share your reels to their stories. I-on mo lang yan guys. Para makatrending ka ng yung video guys. Yung mga reels, mga vlogs. Ito guys. Who can comment on your public post? Friends of friends. Baguhin mo lang yan guys. Gawin mong public guys. Para makatrending ka na yung post sa mga vlog mo or mga stories mo, mga reels. Public profile info, baguhin lang yan guys. Naka-print yan guys, gawin mong public guys. Ito guys, naka-public na guys. Who can see the people page and let's you follow. Pwede public yan guys. Pwede mo i-only me, pero akin yan guys, public talaga yan guys. Okay guys. Pwede ko naman baguhin yan pag gusto ko. Do you want see engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? Okay. Public. On mo lang yan guys. Okay. Okay lang, ganun lang guys. Okay, back na tayo guys. Confirm. Done. Okay. Back na tayo guys. Back na tayo guys. Yan guys. Bye bye.